Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Libby. And when I'm done, I'm jumping right in.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Libby. Today I am doing some like lime neon yellowish looking nails. So I didn't have the color I wanted exact, so I decided to mix two Makartt colors to get the color that I wanted. And this is the color that I wanted for sure. I'm also going to insert a picture of what I saw on Pinterest that made me want to do these nails. So after I struggled putting on that form, I went ahead and jumped in. So let me tell y'all, today I wanted to use Makartt and Modelones at the same time because I was like, I need to figure out which one is my favorite out of the two because I need a staple nude. So I was like, before I make another purchase, I want to, work with the two and see, which is which. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. To this day, I still stand by Makartt. It's very sturdy. It's probably the closest polygel to acrylic as in terms of strength and durability. However, it's extremely sticky. So whenever you're doing nails and if you're anything like me and you're impatient, this slows you down tremendously. Like to do one hand, it took me 1 hour. Typically, I'm done in an hour with both hands. So I just, letting you know. But anyways, I decided to ombre this nail, or I guess baby boomer-ish nails with green, yellow, neon, whatever. So I went ahead and I did this nail first. I cured it, and then I came in with the Modelones nude color. And I loved the nude. The nude color was just so easy to work with. It was so soft. It wasn't sticky at all. I did come in with a second layer just because I wanted it to fade out a little bit better. It was a little sheer at the beginning, but y'all, if I gotta go hand in hand, I don't know, y'all. It's a toss-up because Modelones is really sturdy too, but Makartt is just like super sturdy. So to be honest with y'all, I'm probably gonna keep using them both, but I am gonna order a Modelones nude in a large container, and y'all know that's coming next, my next nail tutorial. But anyways, I just continued working. I wanted some solid neon nails, and then I did one full nail with that nude color, and then I'm gonna show y'all my little design. Tried to step out of my comfort zone this time. But as you guys can see, it's just a much smoother application process. I know y'all can see how easy I'm moving this polygel around, so it's a yes for me. Like, I used the kit before several times, and I know y'all seen it in my old videos, but the nude, it just was speaking to me today. So yes, y'all, I'm definitely gonna come through with a full nude set and do some, But anyways, that's pretty much it as far as the nails. Now I'm gonna jump into the design process, which was super simple. So Modelones sent me a kit a few months, maybe about a month or two ago, with some gel polishes. I did a review on that too. And it's no neon colors in there. So I got a little creative. I mixed the yellow, the white, and like a light blue, and I got this color, which was pretty close. So I just used my dotting tool, kind of put some little smeared dots to give it that print that I was looking for. And then I went ahead and cured it for 30 seconds, and then I came in with the black to line the outside of it. But yeah, this design was super easy. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this before, because I'm like, this is really cute. Like, I should have been did this. And y'all see how long I kept my nails? I tried to do like the lipstick nail for the middle finger, but I don't think y'all could really tell that good. That is my goal for this year, is to work on my shaping because I know it needs to be better. But anyways, I just went ahead and lined it, and I put a few little random black dots in the empty spaces. I applied my top coat and my Parker J's Magic Mane oil, and that is it, guys. This was super simple, minus the stickiness that took forever. And yeah, so just let me know if you like these nails. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thumbs this video up, all that stuff, you know what I'm saying. Let me know what you want to see next. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Mila B out.